In this video, you will learn how a chatbot decides which answer is probably the right one for you. This picture shows you the structure of an intent, with training phrases or so-called utterances and a response. When your chatbot receives a request, it compares the input with all utterances or training phrases in the system. The better the match of your request with the predefined questions, the higher the probability that your chatbot is giving a correct answer. It calculates a value for each intent. This value is between 0 and 1. We call it confidence score. Let me demonstrate this by ordering a burger. We've already got these 4 training phrases for the intent order burger. When a user enters, "I would like to order a burger," a confidence score of 0.8 is calculated. So the chatbot is 80% sure that its response from the intent "order a burger" is a correct answer. By using a confidence threshold, you can determine whether your answers are labeled correctly. If the best matching intent has a value over the threshold, it will be shown to the users. Otherwise, a default message will be displayed. Do you have any questions about a confidence score? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.